Hello there! Today, I would like to show you guys the video of me unboxing the bath box that I have just purchased a few days earlier. I always have been very interested in their products, and the bath box is an Indonesian product that produces natural and handmade skin and hair care treatments. After contemplating a bit, I finally decided to buy Goats Don't Lie, which is the liquid soap, and mine is with tea tree essential oil. So excited to try this one out since I'm having a bit problem with back acne and my skin has been a bit itchy and dry. Oh, and I really love that they have this pink strated parrot in their package because it makes me feel like I'm receiving a gift. Well, it is though. I bought it for myself, but it made it a little bit more special. I would probably give my review after using this product, so stay tuned.